So, we're playing a game called Assembly Line. Oh, sorry about my voice. And I have progressed a lot. You can just see by the lag. So, less laggy. This is my solar panel farm. That is my speaker farm. This makes supercomputers and robot bodies. This makes a lot of things. And forgot about this mess. It's actually pretty cool. I'm only recording this game because it has no audio. And this is my news factory. And I will show you a couple things on how to play this. First, you need a cellar. That's obvious. Go into, you see this little hammer button next to the X down here? Click on it. Press starter. Click where you want it. Make sure it's next to a cellar. So you see these 4 arrows in white? Now you can see it because it's basically highlighted. Click that, the one that's darkened. Click on it. Click this. And, sorry if it's a little fast. Click on that starter. Click select. And click whatever you want. They're all the same price. I'll just go for diamond to worship Dan TDM. And that's just a little tip. Now, by the way, you see where that one part is basically highlighted? That's where you go in order to get new assembly lines. And, okay, I can't afford a new assembly line yet. So, it's pretty complex. But once you get to the hang of it, it's quite easy. I'll show you a simple way of making a solar panel factory. And yes, that's a little underrated because I'm in a non-solar panel factory. But I'm just giving an example. Why did I do that? I'm such an idiot. Okay, so I just get everything ready first. Click on the crafter, click select, and see what the solar panel needs. I might actually go for something else, like maybe the iron and copper wire. So, yeah. So I'll delete those 2. And we're already 4 minutes in, wow. And then click those. Click the thing that just darkened, the spin around thing. Click this, that, just to save those. Then click rollers. You can do this any way you want, really. Oh, and if you want all to activate at once, see this pause play button that I'm clicking a million times up here? Yeah, so click that, make sure it has the arrow. Now, iron and copper wire, eh? So, click copper. Click copper. Click iron. And that should, in theory, make light bulbs. And that's a simple light bulb farm. Well, thanks for watching, and goodbye.